Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious gluten-free berry cake. Let's go! Those are the ingredients we're going to need. I'm going to start with whipping the egg whites with the sugar. You can add the lemon juice at this stage and just let it whip. On another bowl, I'm going to whip the butter with the egg yolks. Add the egg yolks a little bit at a time, not all at once. It incorporates better this way. Once you don't see the egg yolk inside, you can put in a little bit more. Until you have a fluffy texture. It looks like buttercream. When it's all combined and fluffy, I put it to the side, and in a new bowl I mix the almonds, hazelnut and baking powder. I mix about half of this mixture into the butter mixture, then goes in the other half just to combine it all together. It's been about 12 minutes until the egg whites are fluffy and stiff. And at this stage, I'm going to add this all in. I mix the egg whites into my batter in 3 additions. At the first one you can see I'm a little bit more aggressive with that, but then you need to be very gentle to not knock the air out. This is how our cake is going to rise in the oven. So try to be very gentle when you fold from the bottom to the top. When you don't see the white anymore, you're done. This is about the right texture. Grease your pan. In my case, it's butter. You can also use oil or spray, and pour your batter in. And on top, sprinkle frozen berries. You can also use fresh if it's the right season for you. You can also use only strawberries, only raspberries, whatever you like. Just don't put too much. If it's too much berries, it's going to all sink in and the cake is not going to rise while baking. On top of that, you can put whole almonds or hazelnuts or ground ones, whatever you like, and a little bit of brown sugar for the caramelization. Then bake the cake 40 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven for 160 degrees C. Before you serve it, you can sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top, and this is super yummy. If you made this cake, please share your picture and your experience with that. I would love to hear it. Have fun and enjoy!